Neel's cooking studio. I hope all of you well. Today I am going to show a very simple recipe which is made by brinjal. It's very simple recipe you can make at home very easily using a few ingredients. Lots of people called it begun bahar, but we called it a colorful begun. So let's with me. 3 brinjal, cut both sides. Make sure your brinjal is fresh. Cut into 2 pieces very carefully. Look, my brinjal is very fresh. Now I am giving here half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of salt. Mix them very well. Mix them both sides. You can use here chili powder. Take a tawa, make sure your tawa is hot. I am giving here 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. When your oil is hot, then put off all pieces brinjal on the pan like this very carefully. You have to turn over the pieces of brinjal until one part is turned. Now you have to turn like this. One side is done. Look how it is. Keep it aside. It's almost done and keep it aside. It's lots of oil here, so I am not giving another oil. Now I am giving here 1 teaspoon of onion seeds or kaloji or kalojira, what you say. Just stir them very well. Now I am giving a half cup of chopped onion. You can skip onion if you are vegetarian. Fry the onion until golden color. Make sure your gas or oven in medium temperature. My onion is golden. Now I am giving here 3 tablespoons of mustard paste. Mix them very well. Now I am giving here some pieces of green chili, and I am giving here half teaspoon of turmeric. One teaspoon of salt as your taste, and get all the brinjals into the pan and mix them gently. Now I am giving here some water from the mustard paste which I have blend and mix them all. You have to drink very carefully. Here I am also keeping some green chilies and 1 teaspoon of sugar. You can skip sugar as your taste. Cooked it for 5 minutes. Now I am giving here half inch of ginger. Grated them because ginger will be a bring a great flavor on colorful begun, and it also help to digest this. Now I am turn it very carefully. It's almost done. Turn off the gas, and I am giving here some coriander leaves and leave it here for 5 minutes. I'm serving with hot rice. You can serve with pulao, roti or paratha. Look guys, how it's beautiful. I hope you like it, and don't forget subscribe, share and like. And thanks for watching this. So today for bye bye. Stay safe and secure at home. Bye bye.